Hello students, today in this video I will discuss about exercise 3D questions of R.S. Agarwal, that all questions based on the formula a plus b plus c whole square. Here that a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, ca or ac we can write. We can write like this also. Some places if the question is given in terms of ABC, there is some confusion. So that confusion, never keep that things in confusion that okay how I will do. Okay, you can use in that place x plus y plus z whole square, that is equal to x square, like this. Same formula, okay, plus y square plus z square plus 2xy x y plus yz, मतलब 2yz plus 2zx zx. This is the formula. Okay, means first you have to multiply these two for here, then yz here, then zx or xz you can write. Okay, so I will take first question, that question number 1 of exercise 3D. This question is that a plus, that is here it is given expand. Okay, this is the question. Question number 1, it is given a plus 2b plus 5c whole square. Okay, all terms are in positive, so there is no any problem. Okay, so what we will do, just we will arrange according to this formula. So here a square like this, here 2b square. Now question is that why I had given here bracket, only because of that concept should be in mind, that is whole square, not only a single square. Okay, here plus 5c square. If I will write like this, there is the confusion what, this is 5c square whole square or c square. Definitely it will become c square, so here you have to write 5c square. Okay, plus 2 into a into 2b plus 2 into bc, means 2b into 5c. This dot indicate into, means multiplication, plus 2yz, means this into this, 5c into a. Okay, whatever the things given at the places of this one, just you have to write and just solve. Now a square, now we can write a square plus 2 2 is 4 b square plus 25 c square plus 2 2 is 4 ab 4 4 5 is 20 bc plus 5 2 is 10 ca. Okay, this is the first question. Now I am going to solve question number second one, that is negative 1 here. Okay, that is very also simple. 2a minus b plus c whole square. When such type of questions comes, just what you do, just you arrange in terms of plus. So what we can write, see, 2a plus minus b square plus, not square, minus b plus c. Now this is whole square. Okay, like this we can write now. After that we will arrange in this term, because it is a b c. If you have the confusion, then you can take x y z. If you don't have problem, you go through that one, both are the same one. So what we will do, 2a square plus, here in place of y, what is here, minus b, so right here a square, plus c square, like this, plus, it is not necessary that you have to put here bracket, no need. If you suppose that you are comfortable, no need. Okay, plus 2 into 2a into minus b, this into this, plus 2 into minus b into c, this into this, plus 2 into c into 2a. Okay, now next step, 2 2 is 4 a square minus b, so it will be plus b square. Okay, plus c square plus 2 2 is 4, here is 4ab, but here is the sign negative, so negative into positive, it will become negative. Okay, plus, again I am writing here plus, see, here is negative sign plus, so it will become minus. Okay, 2bc. Now here is plus, that all signs are in positive, so 2 into 2 4ca. This is the solution, that is the expandation. Okay, now see question number 2, that is also expansion, means you have to expand that second part. I have taken that minus 3a plus 4b minus 5c square. So again we will put on this formula. So what we will write in place of x, it is minus 3a square plus this one 4b square plus minus 5c square. Okay children, if you have the confusion, then what you do, just arrange this one first in plus term. Okay, suppose that I am having problem, so what I can do, minus 3a I can write first plus 4b plus minus 5c. Okay, as I mentioned in previous question. Now see, all are in plus, this one plus, this one indicating plus, here is also plus. Okay, now minus 3a square means whole square, 4b whole square plus minus 5c whole square means x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, then after you plus sign, then x into y, so it will be minus 2 into minus 3a into 4b. Okay, plus y 2yz, 2 into y, in place of y it is 4b into minus 5c plus 2 into zx, here is zx, so we will write here minus 5c into minus 3a. Our work now completed up to here. Now what we do, just we will proceed. So minus 3 into minus 3, it is 9a square plus 16b square plus it is 25c square, negative multiply 2 times, that is positive. Now see, 2 into 3, 6 into 2, 4, what it will be, 24. See, 24 AB, I had not put here, put it the sign. Now see, minus and here is plus, so it will become minus. Okay, now see here is minus, here is plus, so again it will be minus here. 4 2 ja 8, 5 ja 40 and BC, 40 BC. And now see, here negative into negative, positive means plus, plus into plus, that is plus, so it will be plus 5 2 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10 and 3, that will be 30 CA. This is the answer, that is 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square minus 24ab minus 40bc plus 30ca. Okay, now we will see question number 3. Here it is factorization, means factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16zx. What we will do, see here, definitely factorization means to get the terms in product. Okay, that is the reverse. Before of that, what we had done, expanded, means we are just a square is given, just we expanded in this form. Now if this one is given, and now we will find like this, means in terms of product. Okay, so what we will do, see, put equal to, it is 2x square plus 3y square plus here is 4z square plus here is 2 into 2x into 3y. Okay, plus 2 into y, y is what, 3y into 4z. Okay, plus 2 into 4z into 3y. Now children, whatever that I have done here, now see, here is plus, here is also plus, but here is negative. So definitely we had done some mistakes, where I had done the mistake. See, what is common here, इन दोनों में common क्या है, देखो यहाँ पे zx, here is yz, means z वाला जो term है ये क्या होगा, common हो जाएगा. It means z means वेरिएबल वाला आपको चेक करना, जहाँ जहाँ नेगेटिव है, तो इन दोनों में नेगेटिव वाले टर्म में हियर एंड हियर दैट जेड इज कॉमन, सो जेड पार्ट विल बी नेगेटिव। तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, नेगेटिव लिखना है, ठीक है। मैंने प्लस पहले इसलिए दिया कि जनरल मिस्टेक में बचा रहा हूँ, ठीक है। नाउ अब जब ये जेड नेगेटिव होगा तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या लिखना होगा, माइनस जेड, ब्रैकेट डाल देंगे, हियर विल बी ऑल्सो ब्रैकेट। नाउ आप देखो क्या हो जाएगा, देखो ए स्क्वायर ए 4 हो गया, ये 9y स्क्वायर हो गया, ये 16z स्क्वायर। यहाँ पे देखते हैं 2 2 जा 4 3 जा 12 आ गया, 3 2 जा 6 4 जा 6 4 जा 24 yz नेगेटिव आ गया। यहाँ पे 4 3 जा 8 3 जा 24, बट हियर आई हैड रिटन zx, z इज दिस वन, ओ हियर आई हैड रिटन 3, इट विल बी 2, 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16, okay. Now it is in the form of this one, so what you have to do, put here, after that you write here 2x plus 3y plus minus 4z whole square, and from here you write here inside way that a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Like this, whatever that identities you had used, you mention, okay. Then after you can write here 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. This is our solution. Now we will see question number 6. Here 16x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 16xy minus 12yz plus 24xz. This also we will factorize, so we will put here equal to, okay. First you write this one, then put equal to. See here it is a square of 4, so it is 4x square plus it is 2y whole square plus 3z square. As I told you, if there is minus, you see which terms are in minus. By seeing this one, you can't think that which one is negative. But if you will see that here, what I told that in xy and this one yz, that these are the variables. So which one is common, x or y? So definitely y is common here. See, y is common in both. It means the term y is negative. So you put here negative. Okay. Now proceed. Plus 2xy means this one, 4x into minus 2y. Okay. Plus 2 into yz means minus 2y into 3z plus 2 into 3z into 4x. Now this is based on the formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Now see if that is based, just check it. 4 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16 minus xy, 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12 xyz, negative plus negative, here is this one. So this is based on that formula. So now we will write 4x plus minus 2y plus 3z bracket. Here you use the formula right here, since a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c whole square. You must mention which formula you are using. Okay. Then after you write here 4x plus minus minus 2y plus 3z. Okay. Now children, we see the question number 7. What is given here, that evaluate. I am taking second part, that is 995 square. If you will multiply directly, you will not get marks. Okay. So if such type of question, because at a standard 9, if this question is given, it means what? Definitely it is based on some formula. Okay. So what we will do here, we will write here 1000 minus 5 square. Now question is that why we will use this one? Why? Because it is nearest to 1000. Okay. Means you have to get the term nearest to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so now here this is based on a minus b whole square formula, so you can use here a minus b formula. So what it will be? A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. What it will be? 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Here is 25 minus 5 2 is 10, 3 0, total become 4 0. Now it will be 1 0 0 0 0 2 5 minus 4 0. So it will be 2 5, here will be 00, and here 9 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our answer. Okay.